If you're still eyeballing ingredients or guessing with measuring cups, you're likely not getting consistent results, especially when it comes to baking, meal prep, or tracking your nutrition. And let's be honest, with so many kitchen scales on the market, it's tough to tell which ones are actually accurate, easy to use, or built to last. So, in this video, I'll be going over the top 5 best kitchen scale options on the market right now. Whether you want a budget option, smart, app-connected precision, or prefer the simplicity of analog for serious cooking, there's something on my list for you. And to make things even easier, we've included the product links in the description, so be sure to check them out. Let's go now and find the perfect one for your needs. Number 5 is the Escali Primo Digital Food Scale. This is the best budget option on our list. If you're after a kitchen scale that's reliable, accurate, and doesn't break the bank, the Escali Primo might just be the budget-friendly hero you're looking for. Unlike many entry-level scales that feel flimsy or short-lived, this one offers consistent precision and surprising durability. Even after years of daily use, its standout feature is the simple 2-button operation paired with a protective sealed display. That means fewer accidental presses, easy cleanup after messy recipes, and no stress about spills damaging the screen. One of the best parts is the tare function, which resets the weight to 0, letting you measure multiple ingredients in the same bowl without any math. It's a small detail that makes cooking and baking feel seamless. When you're prepping dough or tracking portions, this scale acts like a quiet assistant, giving you precise measurements instantly so there's no second guessing or manual math in the middle of cooking. It also switches between grams, ounces, and pounds with a click, and even shuts off automatically to save battery. Now, it's true that the scale is quite compact and might not support your largest mixing bowls, but its accuracy and ease of use more than make up for that. For anyone wanting quality on a budget, Escali Primo consistently proves it's more than just a cheap pick. It's a smart one. Thumbs up for the budget model. Number 4 is the Etekcity Smart Nutrition. Best smart food kitchen scale. If you're tracking calories, macros, or nutrients, a regular kitchen scale just isn't enough. And that's where this smart one shines. The standout feature, it connects with the free VSync app to track 19 different nutrients, syncs with Apple Health and Fitbit, and helps you build detailed daily, weekly, or even monthly nutrition reports. For anyone serious about health goals, this integration is a game changer. Most standard scales only tell you the weight. This one tells you exactly what that weight means nutritionally. No Googling, no manual entry. And because it's backed by Nutritionix, it has a massive database and lets you customize your own foods too. When prepping something like chicken and rice, just place the ingredients on the scale, open the app, and instantly see calories, protein, and macros. No manual input needed. Beyond that, the stainless steel platform looks sleek, wipes clean easily, and feels premium in the hand. One thing I love about Etekcity, their consistent balance of affordability and innovation. You're getting smart functionality without smart scale prices. Using it daily feels effortless, the display is clear, the app syncs fast, and the tare function is intuitive. If there's one small catch, it's that the app's database could be broader. But you can add your own entries over time, which many users have done successfully. All in all, if you want smarter meal prep with fewer steps, this is a fantastic option. Number 3 is the Atogou Food Scale. Best scale with a separate display. If you're tired of squinting under a mixing bowl just to see the numbers on your scale, this one's for you. The Atogou Food Scale earned its spot as the best scale with a separate display. The game-changing feature here is its wireless, detachable display, which gives you an unobstructed view of the weight no matter how large your bowl or box is. It magnetically sticks to nearby metal surfaces or mounts using included adhesive plates, super flexible, super convenient. Unlike most kitchen scales that cram everything into one block, this design separates form from function, and the result, much less hassle when weighing oversized items, especially during baking or when prepping big portions. The stainless steel platform is compact, food-grade, and easy to clean, ideal for anyone who bakes often or uses their scale daily. Some users note that syncing the base and display takes a couple of button presses, but the connection is automatic once both parts are powered on, so it quickly becomes second nature. Another minor con is the lack of decimal pounds, but since it reads both ounces and grams, this rarely becomes a real issue. You also get 7 unit modes and an easy tare function, making this scale incredibly versatile. Bottom line, if visibility and space-saving flexibility matter, this one's a smart, affordable upgrade. Thumbs up! Number 2 is the Taylor Mechanical Scale. Best mechanical kitchen scale. If you want a reliable, no-fuss kitchen scale that doesn't rely on batteries or digital displays, the Taylor Mechanical Scale is the clear winner. And that's why it's our pick for the best mechanical option. Right away, what stands out is its simplicity. There's no setup, no pairing, no app, just a large, easy-to-read dial and a classic stainless steel bowl that gets straight to the point. Perfect for people who want to weigh ingredients without tech getting in the way. Unlike many modern digital scales that can lose accuracy over time or become unreadable in certain lighting, this one offers a consistent and crystal-clear analog display. Even from a distance, many users highlight its timeless, durable build. Whether you're portioning food, baking, or even weighing clay in a studio, the scale holds up and keeps delivering spot-on results. The ability to recalibrate manually is another win, making it a great fit for both casual cooks and small business owners. Bonus, it doesn't just work well, it looks good doing it. The stainless steel finish adds a touch of vintage charm to any kitchen counter. Sure, it's bulkier than a pocket-sized scale, but the design actually elevates the space rather than cluttering it. Reliable, attractive, and easy to use, this scale earns its spot as a fan favorite for good reason. We like this one a lot. Number 1 is the OXO Good Grips stainless steel kitchen scale with pull-out display. This is the best overall today. If you're after the most reliable, hassle-free kitchen scale on the market, this is the one to beat. The OXO Good Grips pulls ahead with its signature pull-out display, seriously, which ensures you always have a clear view of the numbers, even with large mixing bowls. It's a practical solution that simplifies everything from baking prep to meal planning. While many scales get hard to read when containers block the screen, this model eliminates that frustration entirely. Another favorite is the high-capacity platform that supports up to 11 pounds, making it perfect for weighing bulk ingredients in heavy bowls. You also get precise unit conversion at the press of a button and a zero-tare function to reset between ingredients, 2 features that really streamline multi-step recipes. Many users also highlight the easy, clean stainless steel surface that resists fingerprints and looks great on any countertop. Compared to most typical models, this one feels more refined, and thoughtful touches like the large, bright digital screen make daily use easier. The removable platform adds to the convenience, letting you clean it quickly after messy tasks like flour or meat prep. Altogether, it's a reliable, well-built scale that combines functionality with smart design. A great choice for anyone looking to upgrade their kitchen tools. Highly recommended. Let me know in the comments which kitchen scale is your favorite. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more product reviews and tips. Thank you for watching.